y'all, it's your girl Sasha E. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this look. As you already know, your girl is feeling herself. I'm absolutely in love with my hair, you guys. I finally decided to straighten it. I asked you guys if I should, and surprisingly, not a lot of y'all were like, yeah. 431 of you guys participated. Only 55% said I should straighten my hair. The other 26% was like, maybe in 6 months, and then 19% of y'all was like, girl, don't do it. But I really wanted to. It's been a year since I did my big chop, and I just wanted to see how my hair was growing. I wanted to see if it was long. I wanted to see if it was super healthy. I just wanted to see how my hair was, y'all. So I went ahead and I straightened it, and I'm going to show you guys how. Before we get started, I do want to show you guys the products that I used in my hair before I blow dried and straightened my hair. So for wash day, I went in with the Suave Professionals. This is their almond and shea butter moisturizing shampoo. I love this. This is probably my second favorite shampoo ever. And for conditioning and detangling, I went in with the OGX. This is their Ever Straightening Brazilian Keratin Therapy Conditioner. This is, if not my favorite, my second favorite conditioner. This makes my hair feel like butter, y'all. When I put this on my hair, y'all, my hair is so soft with this. This is definitely a must. And then as far as deep conditioning, I went in with the Shea Moisture Yucca and Plantain Anti-Breakage Strengthening Mask. So this is this one right here. I love this one as well, y'all. It's almost done. I love this stuff. And then I did not follow up with a leave-in or an oil. All I did before I blow dried and straightened my hair was I added the Icy Fantasia hair polisher. This is their heat protector spray. And then I went in with the Chi Silk Infusion treatment. Y'all will see how much I sprayed and how much I applied once the video starts rolling. But yeah, guys, as you guys can see, my hair is super bouncy. It's super flowy. It has a really nice shine to it, so I didn't need all that extra stuff. So this is all I used. And yeah, y'all, let's get into the video.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you.
Y'all, I think this side is longer than this side, but we'll see once it's straightened. Yeah, I think one side is definitely longer than the other, but that's fine. I'll just cut it and even it up. Alright guys, so I am back and I'm about to get started with the flat ironing process. So as you guys saw in the last clip, I did blow dry my hair, and it's looking really good. So let me show you guys the flat iron that I'll be using. So this is the flat iron I'll be using. This is the Nano Titanium by Babyliss Pro. It's a titanium plated flat iron. I prefer this over the ceramic. This always gets my hair bone straight, and I'll be using it at 450 degrees. I usually use 410 degrees like if I flat iron my hair in the past. So like next year when I do this, I'm going to use 410. But since this is my first time ever applying like heat to my hair, I think I'm going to go in with 450, and then I'm going to be doing one pass per small section. So I'm going to make sure my section is fully detangled. Then I'm going to go in with another comb Then I'm gonna take a pretty small section, put this away. I'm gonna be using the chase method, so I'm gonna get a fine tooth comb. Get my flat iron. And there you go. My ends are so rough, you guys. I don't know if you guys can see that. So rough. So I'm gonna do a side part, so let me just part my hair right here.
All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 I just can't stop thinking about you.
Alright guys, so let me just give you guys a little spin so y'all can see how it looks. Pretty long. I think this side is longer than this side. So what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to go shape it up as much as I can in the bathroom. Then I'll come back and do the front and kind of shape my face on camera. I wish I could do the back in the room, but y'all, I need to be in the bathroom to do that cut. And it's going to take me a while. So yeah, I'm going to handle that really quick and be right back. Alright y'all, so I am about to cut my bangs and I wanted to show you guys how I'm going to do that. As you guys can see, I've already combed this down in my face. So I'm pretty much going to start from my nose and I'm just going to cut slanted. So there we go. So y'all, I'm gonna bump the ends. And I'm curling my hair on 375. Hi guys, so I am back and these are the final results. Y'all, I love it. Y'all, I think it looks so good. I love it, y'all. Like, your girl's hair is straight. Like, I can run my fingers through it. I love it. So after I did my trim, I did it in the bathroom, y'all. I tried to come back out here to, you know, do some on camera, but it was quite difficult. So I did the majority of the trim in the bathroom, and my ends feel so much better, you guys. Like, before they were so rough and it kept snagging on the comb and stuff, but now, like, I could run my fingers through it freely and it feels really nice. So that is definitely a plus. I'm just happy I did this, y'all. It's such a different change and I like the look, and I'm able to see my length and see that my hair is growing nice and healthy. So yeah guys, that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed, go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think. I love to hear you guys' feedback about the styles that I do. And also, y'all, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications. I post on Sundays, Wednesdays, and Fridays at noon Eastern Standard Time. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!